So now we have the two chips secured. I'll just use this. This is a syringe of solder paste. So that should be enough to do the soldering. So all I have to do is to draw a line of paste near the pins. See if I can do this under some magnification here. Okay, yep, got a little too much that comes out. So just try to get that there and control my pressure. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, this should be enough. Just pull back a little bit so this flow will stop. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I have the solder paste, and also the chips are secured by the little putty here. So all I have to do is to go ahead and solder one or two pins at a time. So let me go from this side. This side is closer to my eyes, a little easier. So it tugged a little bit, so I pushed it back. This way, well, the first pin anchors or tags the chip permanently. Do a little more, just to make sure the pins are all separate. So just tilt it out, just look, and I think the pins are soldered on, but they're not touching each other. There's no jumpers. So I'll try this other side. You remember that first experience that it kind of tugs on the chip a little bit. I may just angle it a little because I have the pins that are kind of in the way of the soldering iron, but it also secures all those pinholes. Otherwise you could easily just pull this too far, and some of that see that solder could just go into the hole. Without the header pins, that hole gets plugged up, makes it difficult to get it clean. So again, turn this so you get to see it clearly that there's no jumpers. You can also use a larger magnifier to inspect that work a little later. Okay, so this side is done. I think maybe I secured the chips a little bit lower from the exact center. That's just that's only this way, right? It's not longitudinal, so the alignment is still good. All right, so I'll add some more solder paste. Remember that as pressure is applied, you could get a sudden flow of that solder, which is a little more than needed. And try to let go of the pressure so it stops flowing. Oh, good thing we have those one side already soldered. Okay, so again, just kind of swipe in the direction of the pins, just this way. Again, maybe clean the tip a little bit. Okay. So to avoid those header pins, you can just tilt the circuit. Give it a little bit of time to melt, and also heat up each pin with a second or so. Just do this wiping action. Getting pretty close to my finger now. Be careful there. Two more. Last one. Ah, look at that. Okay. Are there any jumpers? I don't think so. So what I'll do is I'll take a magnifier with a larger magnification and just look at that myself. Oh, okay, I'm happy with this. So all that's left is just to solder the headers and then just break this into two, because there's actually two of them.